Hey guys, welcome back to another exciting episode of Cross Street Classics. We're back here with an exciting day at our shop. Our last video here we showed painting the 427 for this 67 Vette. And today, after a lot of delays, we are going to be getting this old grill out of the storage. We had this up in the my dad's garage in his enclosed trailer. This thing hasn't seen the light of day since July. So we're gonna back it out, get it up on the lift, and start doing a few things to it to get ready for this engine to go back in. One thing I wanna do, I wanna pull the bell housing off, get the bell housing painted, and a couple little odds and ends so we can get this thing dropped in. So let's get it out of the trailer. Well guys, we got our bell housing painted, got it reinstalled in the car. Also did the clutch throw-out bearing lever, did that, and that little inspection plate underneath that covers off the flywheel there once it's back on the car. We got our resurfaced flywheel installed, got the bolts torqued down, got the pilot bushing installed, and got the clutch and pressure plate in. It's installed. Got the alignment tool, moves nice and free inside there, so hopefully we won't have any issues when we drop it in. So I'm going to thank our neighbor Scott Ford for letting us borrow his longer reach engine hoist. When we took his engine out, we had it going from the side because I didn't have a long enough throat on that one. So this in here is going to be a lot better. So I'm just waiting on my help here, guys. We're gonna pop this hood back off and drop his engine back in. We got our engine mounts installed, new hardware on them there. I had to unbolt them from the engine when we took it out. So I'm trying to do this exactly the way it come out so we have no issues putting it back. So we're gonna see how it works. Stand back and enjoy. Hey guys, a little bit of an update here. Got the 67 big block up on the lift, and we are draining the old gas out. Got 10 gallon of fresh premium back here, so when we start this thing up, it'll have all new gas in it. Underneath there, you can see we got everything buttoned up. The only thing I got to do under here is put the starter on and the side pipes, and they're sitting over there. We got new exhaust donuts and the other gasket for it. Had to pick up a new solenoid for the starter. And in the front here too, we put a couple new shocks on the front. Got to do the back ones yet. And that's about it under here. We'll go up top and show you what we got done up top. All right, guys. So back on top here, you can see got everything about done up here. Bought new spark plug wires, the correct ones here. Got the ignition shielding all cleaned up, put it back on. Got the new heater hoses run all correct. GM stamped hose. This one here, I gotta cut this to length. So that one's not on yet. We got the fuel line cleaned up. I want to thank Blake here. He spent some time cleaning that old line up. And we got the pulleys painted. Got the fan plant painted. Got the shroud on here. Got the radiator all buttoned up. It's on, done. Front or upper and lower hose are all done. Got the correct tower clamps on it. I was able to clean the old fan clutch up. They cleaned up really nice. What else here? Oh, going around here, guys. I want to point out, I tried to leave everything I could that was possible original. Just cleaned it up. The throttle linkage here, you know, had the gold, the chromate plating on it. Still cleaned up pretty nice. Cleaned the spring up. You know, if I didn't really need to do anything to it, I just cleaned it up and that was it. I'm trying to leave this car, you know, as original as possible. We did paint the brackets for the alternator. I'm getting the alternator rebuilt here, get it freshened up. Kind of anything, you know, really catches your eye, you want to have it looking pretty nice. Again, got the spark plug wires here, got the grounds on, got that all done. Cleaned the clutch equalizer bar, cleaned it up. You can see it was looks like zinc, silver zinc or cad plating. Cleaned it up pretty good. But yeah, guys. So a little update here. Only thing I got to do here really is I got a new air cleaner element coming. Going to clean the air cleaner lid up, put a new element in, and waiting on the alternator. And I got a new cap coming here too. This oil fill cap, showing a little bit of wear. I got a new correct plated one coming for it. And that's about it, guys. I got to do a couple things underneath there with the shocks, get the starter on. Side pipes, and this thing will be ready to fire up and run. All right, guys, so we've reached a very exciting moment in this video. We're about ready to fire this thing up. Now, this engine was dyno tested on the engine dyno when the builders built it. Want to thank CJ Rumhold in Beaver Falls, PA. They're the ones that did the engine for these guys, and come highly recommended. So they did do an engine dyno run with this. They did a couple pulls, I guess, and it was showing 418 horse, I believe. Not sure what the torque was, but so you know, it's almost 30 horse more than stock. You know, so that's pretty exciting. But so we've gone through, double checked the oil levels, filled the radiator up, double checked everything, triple checked everything. Checked all the fluids in the boxes too, the rear end transmission. We did all that wise up on the rack. And we got the shocks all done too. So dumped a little gas in the carb, and you know, just checked everything. So we're gonna fire this thing up and see how she sounds. Pumps. do see that it's not charging. I can look at that and see what's going on with that.
Exhausting.
It doesn't.
It's just ridiculous stuff.
Yeah,
It sounds so mean.
Yes. Yes, it does.
Wow.
All right, guys. So our first start here, man, in the car. This is the first time in, I think, probably at least 2 years this car has run. I know the owners are really excited to get this back. The weather's nice now. We're in the middle of April, almost to the end of April here with this car. So we've had it here almost a year. I think they brought it in May. May of last year. You know, we found out what it was, and then we trying to find an engine builder and stuff. So it's going on almost a year since it's been here and heading home. So we're gonna just go through, make sure we have no leaks. Get this big block Stinger hood back on, man. This is the ultimate hood. I don't care. 67 big block hood. That's the only hood on a Vette. You know, everybody puts them on every Vette, no matter what the mid-year is, whether they have the infamous 427 or not, because they just look so cool. And them side pipes, man. Them side pipes, they just chambered exhaust side pipes just sound awesome. It's just a cool car. I do know the next thing that they're going to do is they've been inquiring about tires. These tires, not even sure how old they are, but I'd say they're probably looking at them. You know, they're bi-sply, you know, Goodyear polyglass. They're G70 15s. I'd say they're probably the better part of 40, 45 years old. So they definitely want to put some new tires on this thing. But yeah, guys, so I think that's going to be it for this video, I'll be honest with you. We're done with the car. We'll put the hood back on and we'll call it done. Like I said, we're going to do some dialing in here and a couple of things. The idle seems a little low, I think. Maybe some adjustment in the choke. But all in all, I think it's it, guys. I want to point out, too, that I did end up getting that correct plated oil filler cap. Got that on here, and the plated alternator pulley. Yeah, just a little bit of detail to set things off here. So anyway, guys, Blake and I want to say thanks for watching these videos here. We appreciate you watching, liking, subscribing, and we'll see you in the next one. Thanks.